My name is Brennan Prinz, and I'm the sales director at sofSURFACES. sofSURFACES manufactures 2x2 rubber tiles for many different applications. For years, we have been involved in roof deck installations, be it a paver system as we're on today, or a rooftop protection or access pads across any type of flat roof. We are partnered with many of the largest flat roof manufacturers across the world. sofSURFACES partnered with ISM Architects out of Barrie, Ontario, and Pratt Homes to supply this roughly 11,000 square foot rooftop amenity area that is simply breathtaking. This is our premium series, and it utilizes virgin TPV or EPDM in the wear layer, and then the bottom of our tile is made of recycled car tires. sofSURFACES manufactures duraSTRONG premium pavers out of nearly 95% recycled product. We take local Ontario car tires, recycle them, and manufacture a 2x2 interlocking tile that gives us a beautiful aesthetic and long-term performance. We at sofSURFACES often say, begin with the end in mind. We want to create a product and supply a product and install a product, and all these details need to be refined in order to get a great long-term outcome. Our rubber tiles are designed to last for 20-25 years, if not longer. The rubber tile is acting as a protective layer over the roofing membrane. And what this does is it exceeds the lifetime of that roofing membrane. Concrete pavers, oftentimes as they age, become brittle. And those pavers are apt to crack and break. And when that takes place, the likelihood of a puncture to the roofing membrane is very high. duraSTRONG rubber tiles are laid out directly on top of the TPV membrane. And what this does is it allows for a fairly simple installation. There is no foam blocks or leveling of the surface. That all would be done beforehand. The membrane would be installed, and then our tiles would be installed directly over that and follow the contour of the roof to the drainage points wherever they are across the roof. One of the finishing touches just before our tile leaves the factory is we install this edge cut in the perimeter of the tile on all four sides. And what this allows is that when adhesive comes into the seam, the adhesive has a channel whereby a much larger volume of adhesive can reside. And what that does is it provides excellent long-term adhesion characteristics. duraSTRONG rubber tiles not only provide an aesthetic rooftop surface, but they also provide a safe surface. If you have children or elderly people out on your rooftop, you certainly don't have to worry about a trip and fall. These products naturally are resilient, and we've manufactured them with the hollow core pedestal to offer a measure of safety that far exceeds a concrete paver or a wood deck or anything like that. Pratt Homes went above and beyond and installed 2x2 duraSTRONG premium pavers, and the result is tremendous.